Then you never know what's up hard. The girl them a call and a ball and a lily link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York, love worst game of reaction. Girl from Puffy, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lily Linton, Girls Hill, Gal, Tigo, Gal, Deville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rona, Lily Linton. Actually, factually, you know it's Deva Bratt representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hearing me, man?
Hey, yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you another reaction. Move. And today, guys, we are with Deva Bratt. Yeah, man, Deva Bratt with Nabo. More Deva Bratt. Yes, man, Nabo. And the Dutty Fridaze Riddim. Yes, we love that Riddim, man. That Riddim, also, is a nice juggling. Big up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐍. Dutty Fridaze days. Pasta days. Big up on yourself. Yeah. How do you feel, say? The day the day got past, I'm gonna drop an next reaction for Deva Bratt. Come on, like, come on. Also, comment section, get active. Let me know if you know me try and reach out to the G and get a interview. Not so much of an interview, but like a reasoning with the G. Tell him story and things. Let me know if you want to see it on this platform. If you want to say yes, we are going to try and line it up. You see me? So yeah, let me know what I go on. Alright, but apart from that, let's jump into the reaction. Dutty Fridaze Riddim. Nabo, ready?
That me I say no.
Ready?
No grounds as. Actually. Whether for big money or choke.
No grounds as. No girl can call 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐍. Listen me.
No girl can bring bout into bad man.
Not near pum to mouth.
So go into bad man. Should be no should out skin out and take for car.
Real bad man.
No.
Actually, factually, pull it up and jump it again. Yo, cracky pipe. You don't with them dirty pipe. Talk to the way.
That me I say no. No grounds as.
Ready again?
Actually.
Oh, Mokla.
Whether for big
Ready
money or
again?
chokes.
No girl can call 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐍. Listen.
No girl can bring bout into bad man. Not near pum to mouth. So go into bad man. Should be no should out skin out and take for car.
Real bad man.
No.
Not even feel up now. Pull up. Yes, that's fine when it's like a Janko.
You don't say in the beer man Janko. You bribe them with phone card and now. You chocolate them show like coach. The girl them say you are the real bow pro.
What am I say? Stupid, why you go low? Lyrics.
Actually,
We can dive in that a little bit more. Let's go.
whether for big money or chokes, no girl can go zero shots.
Simon tell us whether for big money or chump change, no girl can bout what 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐍. Big up 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐍, producer at the Riddim. Feel them Riddim.
Whether for big money or chokes, no girl can go zero shots.
Listen this.
No girl can bring bout into bad man. Not near pum to mouth. So go into bad man. Should be no should out skin out and take for car.
No girl can bring no boating to bad man. Not near pum to mouth. Suck out. Them can't bring them thing to bad man. No. You know why?
Real bad man. No.
Get it! What more can I do? What more can I fucking do? Ready? No girl can bring.
Into bad man. Not near pum to mouth. So go into bad man. Should be no should out skin out and take for car. Real bad man. No. Not even for love nor dough. You man from your mouth.
We not even for love nor dough. Not even for love nor money. We not do it. That's what the G say.
No. Not even for love nor dough.
What up?
From your mouth when you know you got to go. Brace it like just like a jump out. Yellow wind up in your face just like a go.
From your bow, that mean you got to go. Braces fly with just like a drunk crow. Yellow wind up in your face just like a go.
From your mouth when you know you got to go. Brace it like just like a jump out. Yellow wind up in your face just like a go. You don't say in the beer man John go.
Yellow wind up in your face even though you know say in the beer man John go. So beer man I fuck it and you suck it. Rude.
Like a jump out. Yellow wind up in your face just like a go. You don't say
In the beer man John go.
You bribe them with phone card and now. You chocolate them show like coach.
You bribe them with phone with phone card and dough. You're chocolate. What am I say after that?
Say him the beer man John go. You bribe them with phone card and dough. You chocolate damn social like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
You're chocolate. Not chocolate as in a chocolate bar. No. You're chocolate. You're chocolate like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
In the beer man John go. You bribe them with phone card
And
and
dough.
dough. You chocolate damn social like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐎. The girl them say you want the
You're chocolate. Then you're chocolate like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐎. You're chocolate.
John go. You bribe them with phone card and dough. You chocolate damn social like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐎. The girl them say you want the real bow pro. So when them see what I wrote, you know what they call it, yo.
The girl them say you're the real bow pro. You're a prowess. You're a pro. That is your profession. And you're not gonna pay for it.
The girl them say you want the real bow pro. So when them see what I wrote,
You know what I'm calling you?
Stupid, why you go and let your mouth go? You shouldn't have the girl them who not be. No, you shouldn't do it. Hey.
Even the girl them, when them see out the road, cause remember the girl them go talk, you know. Tell them friend, you know. So when the girl them see out the road, them call you what? Stupid. Them ask you say, why you go low? Why you do it? Why you do it? Why you make your mouth go there so? You shouldn't yam the girl them punani. No, you shouldn't do it. Hey. No, you shouldn't do it. Hey.
Empire now power with the bow cat. Deva Bratt give him a kick out of the rugged out back.
Empire now power with no bow cat. Deva Bratt give you a kick out of the rugged out.
You shouldn't do it. Hey. Empire now power with the bow cat. Deva Bratt give him a kick out of the rugged out back. Catch you with your head in the lap, eat out that your finger, your toe, your knee, we beat out that.
Whoa! Catch you with the head in the lap, eat out that. Your knee, your feet, your teeth, we beat out that blood.
Give him a kick out of the rugged out back. Catch you with your head in the lap, eat out that your finger, your toe, your knee, we beat out that.
That's the big out.
See, it's sweet on a picture from a Kodak. I know so bad man I roll that. Beat it with a bone, crush it like a toad. Everybody know that. Yeah.
Stupid.
Why you go and let your mouth go low? You shouldn't have the girl them.
Oh, nani. No, you shouldn't be. Hey.
No girl can bring
Quoting to bad man, not near phone, that's all. So quoting to bad man. What are that? Real bad man. No, we nabo.
No, we
Nabo.
No, not even if you look now, no. You man.
What do you think what I want to do? Bumbleclad. What do you think what I want to? I had to have a look on the channel and search the channel to see if I react to that one already. If I did, I'm sorry, but I don't think I did. If I did, I'm sorry. Let me see. Two of them, homage, kill something, return of Bratt. In that song with no, I'm not react to it yet. So why me feel maybe because me know the song so good, me think I react to it already. Like, I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one. This is one of my favorite rhythm from them time that till now. Dutty Fridaze rhythm. Big up myself to the whole production team with that one. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up on yourself, Dutty Fridaze crew. Big up on yourself. Hear me I said though. I let one write a song. So tell me what I want and tell me if you would like to hear a reason between me and Deva, where me just give Deva Bratt the platform for just talk him story, and just say what he must say. You see me? So yeah, just give me the indication in the comment section. Say you want that. You see me?
JAMAICA'S worst game.
Yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next one. You see it? Yeah, real bad man. Nah, boy.
Then you never know what's up party, girl them a call and a ball and a lily link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York, love worst game a reaction. Girl from Puffy, Portland, Nochi, St. Mary's, Lillington, girls, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Galdyville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rounaway, Lillington. Actually, factually, you know what's the best representing for JAMAICA'S worst game, you hear me, man?